19 species in genus Pueraria. June 24th. Pueraria, the kudzu vine, represents June 24th. Pueraria symbolizes strength and growth. Like the kudzu vine that thrives and spreads rapidly, you have an incredible ability to adapt and flourish in any environment. Your determination and resilience allow you to overcome obstacles, growing stronger with each challenge you face. Pueraria, a fascinating genus of plants. I've always been drawn to the intricate world of plants, their diverse forms, and the myriad ways they interact with their environment. Lately, I've become particularly interested in the genus Pueraria, a group of leguminous plants native to Asia and Oceania and belong to the Fabaceae family. These plants, often characterized by their twining vines and tuberous roots, have captured my attention for their ecological significance and their potential applications in various fields. A closer look at Pueraria. The genus Pueraria encompasses a diverse group of species, ranging from the notorious invasive kudzu, Pueraria montana, to lesser-known species with potential medicinal properties. Here are species that belong to this fascinating genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. One of the most striking features of Pueraria is its ability to climb and spread rapidly. This characteristic is particularly evident in kudzu, which has gained notoriety for its aggressive growth habit in certain regions. While this can be problematic in some ecosystems, it also highlights the plant's remarkable adaptability and resilience. The ecological role of Pueraria. In their native habitats, Pueraria species play important ecological roles. They help stabilize soils, prevent erosion, and provide food and shelter for various animals. For example, the dense foliage of kudzu can create habitat for birds and small mammals, while its flowers provide nectar for pollinators. However, the introduction of Pueraria species, particularly kudzu, to new environments has often had unintended consequences. The plant's rapid growth can smother native vegetation, disrupt ecosystems, and even damage infrastructure. This highlights the importance of careful management and control measures when dealing with invasive species. Traditional and modern uses of Pueraria. Pueraria has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in Asia. For instance, Pueraria mirifica has been used in Thailand for centuries for its purported health benefits, including its potential to alleviate menopausal symptoms and promote skin health. Similarly, Pueraria lobata has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat a variety of ailments, such as fever, diarrhea, and cardiovascular diseases. Modern research has begun to explore the scientific basis for these traditional uses. Studies have shown that Pueraria species contain a variety of bioactive compounds, including isoflavones, which have been linked to various health benefits. These findings suggest that Pueraria may hold promise for the development of new medicines and health supplements. The future of Pueraria. As our understanding of Pueraria grows, so too do the potential applications for this versatile genus. While the invasive nature of some species poses challenges, ongoing research is exploring ways to harness the plant's properties for beneficial purposes. This includes developing new strategies for managing invasive populations, as well as exploring the potential of Pueraria for phytoremediation, biofuel production, and even as a source of food and fiber. In conclusion, Pueraria is a fascinating genus of plants with a complex and multifaceted story. From its ecological significance to its potential applications in medicine and industry, Pueraria continues to intrigue and challenge us. As we delve deeper into the world of these remarkable plants, we are likely to uncover even more secrets and possibilities.